I needed more. I needed to be with people who were more creative.
So where did you go?
To the village. Where did I go?
That was the place.
That's where I started.
That was the
That's
place.
where I started. And
in the village.
Yeah, that's where I started, and I just went back. As a matter of fact, I had met my husband before I left for Boston, my second husband.
Right.
And somehow I knew that that was where I was going.
How did you meet him?
When I was about
Curious.
14 years old, I was sitting in a cafe called Rienzi in the village.
In the village?
Yes, it was one of the very, very early coffee houses. And I was with another friend of mine. She was about 13. We were sitting at a table having our orzata.
Right.
And at a table adjoining us, next to us, was a group of people. And a young man approached the table and started to speak to the people at the table. I never forgot him.
Really?
Never. He was gorgeous.
It took your breath away.
And brilliant.
So you were kind of
As I say,
watching.
when you say to me, I'm Tony, you know, I don't forget men.
Okay. Good for you. So
I remembered him, and then I guess it was almost over 10 years later when I encountered him again.
Where?
In the village.
In the village. And at that point.